Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so happy to bring you once again this easy and healthy recipe that you can actually make anytime and very fast for you and your family. Mushroom sauce with chicken served with rice. If you are new here, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for joining us. And to my comeback subscriber, you are all amazing. I will not stop sending you a warm hug from here. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscription button and the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. And also don't forget to leave your comment, like at the end of this video, and also share with your friends. I just finished cutting my chicken and cleaned. I am going to go in and season with some salt and some chicken spices. And then I am going to slice my mushroom to my preferred shape. You can actually slice your mushroom as you prefer, as you wish. Add some oil on your preheated pan with a high heat. And then I am going to drop my chicken and let it brown. Here I have a beautiful good brown color, and this will also add a nice taste to my sauce. On the other side, we are also through. I am going to set this chicken aside. Normal, if you want, you can as well, at the moment you take this out of your pan, you can add it to your air fryer or oven to let it to soften it. But this way I am doing it differently. First, I am going to go in on a same pan, add my mushroom to also brown it for about 2 minutes on same high heat. And then add some sliced onion. If I go first with the onions, at the end I will not be able to have that roast taste on the mushroom. That is why you usually go with the mushroom, because this mushroom will brown a little bit. You will have a nice taste, and then your onions. I have transferred my mushroom on a bigger saucepan, and then add some 2 tablespoons of cornstarch just to thicken it. And then I am going in with small amount of vegetable seasoner and some salt to taste. And then some small amount of pepper. You can add as much as you want pepper. I am not the pepper type. And then now I am adding some water. You can also go for stock, but I am using water for this. And then add your set aside browned chicken to continue to cook on a low heat this time on a low heat, because you wouldn't want to overcook your mushroom and you also want your chicken to get soft. So you are going in on the low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes and let it simmer on its own. 5 minutes is past. I am going to turn my chicken and still continue to simmer for up to 3 to 4 minutes. It's up to 5 minutes again. I am going to stir my sauce. I am sure by now is the chicken well soft. Now I am going to add some thick cream to my sauce. The moment I do this, I turn back my heat. I will not let it cook on a high heat at all, and also do not let it cook less than half a minute. If not, you will end up to have so scrambled sauce, and you would not like it. Because I want my sauce to remain creamy and look good, I am not going to cook that long anymore. I am just going to go in with some sliced red bell pepper and also some parsley to taste, and a beautiful color also. Here we are ready to eat. The sauce is finished, and thank you so much to my subscribers, to my viewers. Don't forget to like this video. Please like this video and also share with your loved ones. Leave your comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Interesting videos are coming up, and the lifestyle video, cooking tips. I bet you, please do subscribe, hit the notification button to get notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much to you all. I am just going to garnish this rice, this sauce with some chips, and then enjoy my meal. Yeah, thank you. That's the end of this video. See you in my next one. Bye for now.